There we go, Nano. Jump, Nano. There we go. You're 3 months old, Nano. It's November 24, the day before Thanksgiving, 2010. He was being fussy because he had so much energy, so I decided to put him in here. Yep, and I was right. Jump. There we go. He's jumping like a champ. Yep.
Hi, Nene.
Now I know he's a champion. He was bred to be a champion.
Hi, Nene. What you doing? What you doing, Nana? Huh? What you doing in there? Come on, baby, jump. Whoa.
Give me 10 inches of air. Come on, come on. 10 inches. There we go, Nino. There we go. There we go. He's getting some good air time. Look at his feet. There we go.
Nano.
He's a natural. He's getting a little tired. That's what we wanted, so he could fall asleep. We try to hold him. Marissa breastfeeds him. Nope. This is what gets him tired. There you go, then. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video so I can pick him up.